In this video, we'll show you how to remove devices from your account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Over time, you might have logged into your account on different devices. If you want to remove them, or if you're concerned that others may have access to your account, this process will help. To begin, go to your profile page and then tap on the menu icon in the top right corner. Next, navigate to the Settings section and look for an option called Account Center. In the Account Center, go to the Password and Security section. Here, find the option that lets you manage logged-in devices and tap on it. Now, you'll be able to see all the devices where you're logged in. Choose the device you want to remove or select multiple devices. Once you've selected the device, tap Log Out at the bottom and confirm your decision. And that's it. The selected device, will be removed. If you notice any devices you don't recognize, it's a good idea to change your password and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.